In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chrome app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official download page and start the download safely and confidently. First, open your Brave browser, or any browser you already have on your device. It doesn't matter which one you use, Brave, Edge, Safari, or Firefox will all work. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if possible, close any heavy downloads or streaming tabs so the process goes smoothly. It also helps to have a little free storage space available so the download can complete without interruptions. Next, in the browser's address or search bar, type "Download Google Chrome" and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. What you want is the official Google Chrome download page. Look for a result that clearly shows it's from Google, typically something like google.com/Chrome. You can also check for the lock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on a secure site. Be cautious with ads or third-party websites that claim to offer Chrome. Sticking to the official page helps keep your device safe. Click the result I'm showing in the video to open the official Chrome download page. Once the page loads, take a quick look around. You should see a clear, prominent button that says something like "Download Chrome." The site usually recognizes your device automatically, so you don't need to hunt for the right version. It will present the correct download for your operating system. Now click Download. At this point, your browser may display a small prompt asking you to confirm the download or agree to standard terms. Go ahead and confirm if you see that. The file should begin downloading right away. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find later, like your Downloads folder or desktop. You might see a progress indicator near the top of your browser or at the bottom of the window. Just let it run until it finishes. If the download doesn't start automatically, look for a link on the page that says something like "Download again" or "Try downloading manually," and click that. That's it. The download process is underway. To recap, you opened your browser, searched for "Download Google Chrome," clicked the official result shown in the video, and then clicked Download. Keeping to the official site is the key tip here. Thanks for watching, and when you're ready, you can move on to installing the file you just downloaded.